To print out all of my patterns, you want to get Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's a free software, but Acrobat is the best to print it out correctly. Also, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. You'll notice on my patterns, the lines, the pattern pieces, they actually go all the way to the edge of the paper. So your printer might not print to the edge of the paper. Your printer might actually just have what are they called? It'll just be like white right here so that the little feeders in your printer can hold the paper. Some people's printers can print to the edge, which is great. So even if your printer isn't printing the little edge part, because there's like a margin, that was the word I was looking for. You still want to line up the papers as if it did print it, because the lines still exist even if your printer didn't print it. It just didn't print it. So when you line up your papers, you just put them right next to each other. There's no need to overlap them or anything like that. The other thing I want to bring your attention to is when you do go print, it's very important to make sure actual size is checked. You don't want to fit it to the pages. It's going to make it smaller so it fits into like how your printer does have that margin. We don't want to do it. We want to do actual size. And then that way you just butt the edges of the paper together, no overlapping or anything, and tape them together. It's the fastest, easiest way and most accurate way to do that. So double check you have actual size printed. And yeah, I guess that's it.